Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to the Science Nest YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to explain the lesson The World of Microorganisms, Grade 8, Lesson 1. Explore the unseen world of microorganisms. These tiny living organisms are all around us, playing vital roles in our environment and daily lives. First we will learn what are microorganisms. They are single or multicellular organisms too small to see individually, and we can clearly observe them by using a microscope. They found in all habitats, including extreme environments like glaciers, deserts, hot springs, deep sea and saline environments. The Dutch scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek observed microorganisms for the very first time in 1674 using a simple microscope that he invented. These are the types of microorganisms. First picture shows you the bacteria. Second one, yeast. Yeast is a type of fungi. Chlamydomonas is a type of algae. Next one is mucor. It also fungal variety. Amoeba and paramecium can be seen here. Food spoilage by microbes. Food become unfavorable for consumption due to the microbial activities called food spoilage. Microbial activity alters food color, change, odor and appearance. Taste and nutritional value of food also change. Spoiled food become unfavorable due to property changes. Activity 1.2. You will need a slice of bread, some water, a glass slide, a cover slip, microscope. Method. Spray some water on the slice of bread and keep it for 3 days. Take some of the substance grown on the slides of bread and place on the glass slide. Put a drop of water on it. Cover the slide with a cover slip. Observe the slide through the microscope under the low power. Draw what you observe. This is the observation that you can see. Microscopic view of fungi can be seen on the bread. There are some fibers and black structures on bread. They are a kind of fungi which spoils bread. Conclusion. The main reason for food spoilage is the growth of microorganisms on food and release of their byproducts. Activity 1.3. You will need sugar, yeast, a balloon, warm water with it should have 40 Celsius temperature, and a bottle. It should be 500 milliliters, a beaker, suitable container. Method. Dissolve 2 teaspoons of sugar into 100 milliliters of warm water. Add 1 teaspoon of yeast into the above sugar solution. Leave it for about 20 minutes and observe. Next, pour a newly prepared solution into the bottle. Then fix a balloon to the mouth of the bottle. Record your observation after about 20 minutes. Observation. When sugar and yeast are mixed in a solution, it will bubble and become warm. You will smell the odor of alcohol. Conclusion. Ethyl alcohol is produced due to the activity of yeast in sugar solution. Observation. The balloon has been inflated. A gas is produced due to the activity of yeast in sugar solution. The gas produced here is carbon dioxide. Yeast is a key ingredient in bakery products. The activity of yeast forms carbon dioxide and makes the dough rise. Ethyl alcohol evaporates due to the process of baking. Factors affecting microbial growth. Temperature. Room temperature, that means 25 to 30 Celsius, is ideal for rapid growth. Moisture. Moist food items promote rapid microbial growth. pH level. Specific pH ranges are necessary for different microbes. Types of microbial food activity. Fermentation. Microbial activity on high sugar foods. Putrefaction. Microbial activity on high protein foods. Rancidity. Microbial activity on high fat foods. Beneficial effects of microorganisms. Industrial use. Used in various industries like food production, like producing curd, producing yogurt, producing cheese, bakery products. Decomposition. Break down dead plant and animal matter, maintaining environmental balance. One example is making compost. Pest control, utilized in biological pest control methods, and also we are using the microorganisms in beneficial way in medical field also, to produce antibiotics, to produce vaccines. We are using microorganisms. Harmful effects causing diseases to humans. Virus diseases, common cold, dengue and AIDS. Bacteria diseases, tuberculosis, leprosy, typhoid fever. Protozoa diseases, malaria, leishmaniasis and amoeboisis. Fungi diseases, pityriasis and so. Another harmful effect is the economical damage. Microorganisms, especially fungi, cause economic damage. They grow on clothes, building walls, and wooden furniture. This growth lead to adverse effects on various surfaces. Harmful effects. Another one is food spoilage. Growth of microorganisms on vegetables, growth of microorganisms on bread, growth of microorganisms on fruits are some examples for that. Harmful effects. Infectious diseases caused to animals. A dog suffering from hydrophobia, a bull suffering from foot and mouth disease, a cow suffering from mastitis are examples for them. Causing infectious diseases for plants. A potato plant with blight, papalios with mosaic disease, chili plant with leaf curl sickness are some examples for that. This is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching and subscribe the channel to watch more videos like this.